Ethereum at $2,373, up nearly 2% in 24 hours. Overall stance, neutral but bullish catalysts are lining up. Price is in a downtrend on the daily chart, making lower highs and lower lows over the last 3 swings. But it's bouncing from the recent low of $1,756 and now testing the $2,370 pivot resistance. The daily MACD is constructive. The line is above its signal, and the histogram is positive, showing building momentum. This helps confirm the bounce, but given the broader daily downtrend, traders should watch for the histogram to expand further for follow-through. Zooming out to the weekly, the MACD is also positive. Line above signal, histogram green. That's a bigger picture shift that supports the daily recovery. When both timeframes align like this, it increases the odds of a sustained move higher. The monthly chart shows a downtrend channel. Both the resistance and support lines slope down. Price is currently near the bottom half of that channel. For a long-term trend change, a breakout above the upper rail of the descending channel would be needed. On the daily chart, RSI is at 48, neutral, no overbought or oversold extremes. However, the stochastic just gave a bullish crossover, indicating short-term buyers stepping in. That's a supportive signal for the near term. Immediate resistance sits at the pivot R1 around $2,370, with a stronger zone near the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement at $2,905. Support below is the recent low of $1,757. The $2,800 level is a key hurdle mentioned in the headlines. Today's top crypto story is the Clarity Act progress and Bitmain buying $238 of ETH. Macro headlines show sticky inflation at 3.2%, but Fed hints at a cut that's net positive for risk assets. News bias is bullish for ETH short term. Circle and Coinbase stocks rallied as the Clarity Act moves forward. Analysts say stablecoin yield compromise could unlock key regulation. This boosts sentiment for the entire crypto market and supports ETH's upside. CPI came in at 0.9% month over month, unemployment at 4.3%, both higher than expected, but the market is focused on the Fed's next move, and dissenting members hint at a cut. That's a tailwind for crypto. Tom Lee calls it a crypto spring, citing Bitmain buying $238 of ETH and the Clarity Act. ETH holders are back in profit, and the chart targets $3K, though $2,800 resistance is the first hurdle. Neutral with a bullish tilt. Daily structure is still downtrend, but momentum is turning and news catalysts are strong. Watch for a break above $2,370 pivot and the $2,800 level for confirmation. Volume is low, so moves might lack conviction initially. Bitcoin leads at $80,400, up over 2%. Ethereum follows closely. Dogecoin is the biggest mover in the top 10, up 2.6%. Overall, the market is green with a risk-on tone. Thanks for tuning in. Stay safe and see you tomorrow for the next check-in.